1 knot. We got 2 knots of wind going very slow. Got the code 0. The kids are jumping in.
This is so scary. You're flying. Oh!
Under sail.
Oh, yeah. This is really fun.
Where are they? Should see them any second.
Dolphins?
Yeah.
They're like right off the bat.
What's wrong with them? Huh? What's wrong with them?
Maybe they don't like us. Oh, bummer.
So pretty. 14 feet.
14 feet. Clear as can be. We're spotting sand dollars, little fish.
Well, we've had a beautiful Sunday. We're all just hanging out. Anyway, our friends on Nomoya are taking off tomorrow, so we thought we'd all get together and say goodbye. Okay, go do something sick. This has been such a fun little stop. Right, we're right by Soldier Cay, and it's just a little teeny protected area. Most of the time you can't be here, but the weather just worked out perfectly. So now we're gonna cruise over to Spanish Cay. Said our goodbyes last night to our awesome friends on Ahoy, and then we are gonna go to Spanish Cay, get some fuel, hopefully. Everybody's been out, so. Bye, CAVU! So annoying. We came to Spanish Cay Marina to fill up with fuel. And they said, you gotta wait a half an hour. So anyway, waited a half an hour out with 20 knots of wind. So uncomfortable. Finally came in here. They said, okay, you're clear to come in. Someone's coming off the dock. So we started coming in. And then apparently something's wrong with the boat coming off the dock. I don't think anything's wrong. There's just 20 knots of wind and they don't. It's a big, nice sports fisher. And they don't want to deal with the wind. So anyway, we're shuttling back and forth jerry cans and filling up. It's such a joke. So we've been trying to get gas for, I don't know, about 2 weeks now. And everybody's been out. So the joys, Bahamas are great unless you need fuel or food. And then it's not a great place. Well, it has been a wild day. The wind's been crazy. This anchorage has been super swelly, but oh well, it is what it is. We just been hanging out, not doing a whole lot of anything, but tomorrow morning we're gonna go out and snorkel the outer reef here, so we're excited to check that out a bit more. But yeah, we've had a nice evening, had a beautiful sunset. I should have filmed it, but we are planning on heading across to Charleston pretty quick here. So within just 2-3 days, and wrap up the boat for the season. So we are excited to get back up there and see some friends there and get the boat all cleaned up. It's been a long time since we've had a proper cleaning on the boat, rather than just rain water washing it off every once in a while. So we're excited to get back there. Looking forward to what the next week and a half brings. It's crazy. It's only like 9 feet deep, and man, it's so pretty through here. This is where we swam with the dolphins last time, a few days ago. Such a beautiful day, huh? Pretty.
Yeah.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Alrighty, we are out of here. We're heading to Great Sale Cay today, then in preparation to take off tomorrow. Great Sale Cay is about 25 miles from here. It's pretty awesome. We're at the end of the Abacos and nobody's here. And there's no people or anything. There's other boats, but it's just gorgeous. It's interesting. We've been watching the weather, and it's next week's horrendous. It's yeah, we're debating whether to stay another week, but we realize it's just not worth it. The Cape Index is crazy, and so we've been watching that, and yeah, so we're gonna just take off tomorrow and head over to Charleston. It should take about 2 days to get up there, so it should be nice and calm too, though, so it'll be nice. There's CAVU and our friends on Amani. They left like at 5 or so this morning, so they're out of here. They're going to Florida, I guess, to try and sell their boat and look for another boat. Who knows? It'll be cool to see what ends up happening with them. Boat speed, wind speed, rudder speed over ground's about the same. So awesome. We love our Code Zero. The guy right behind us was just catching up to us motoring. So we put this up and away we go. It's just so amazing. The other day, I'm trying to think if I took any video. We were going like 2 knots and we let the kids out, let them jump in the water. And they're all dragging in the water, and they brought the boat almost to a stop, and we only had 3 knots of wind. And anyway, it just made me realize like how much displacement makes such a big difference in boats. And anyway, these boats, nothing's in the water, and it's a few inches that come down, and then you have your dagger boards and your rudders, and that's it. And so it makes it so you're dragging the water as nothing. So it's light, but just the whole design of it makes so much of a difference. So pretty cool. All right. I need to figure out how to get this guy off the hook. That's a huge one. All right, hold up. Look at that monster. Hey guys, there's dolphins right here. We just put the dinghy down, and the kids are driving up to CAVU.
Hey, I think I've got pirates on my tail. I was about ready to throw some explosives out there.
Thanks for taking my dinghy! Wow.
I made it! Sailing buddies!
We're gonna go on one last beach hangout. What do we want to call it? Oh, chat and chill.
Yeah, this is our last time chatting.
Anyway, so we're gonna leave tomorrow morning at like 5 in the morning, and we're all so sad.
Breathtaking. Spectacle of nature indeed.
What's up?
You happy?
Yeah, I kicking about a quarter of my fish out.
A quarter?
Yeah, I
Where's the rest? In the fridge?
Probably.
Good job.
In the meantime, though,
Alrighty.
we are getting much closer to launching here.
What are we gonna see?
I think we're gonna see a rocket launch.
Yeah. SpaceX is launching, I think, 23 satellites, and it's T-minus 5 minutes, and we should see it here in a minute up overhead. So, kind of cool.
3, 2, 2, 1.
With that ignition, there it is.
Oh, look at that.
Where is it?
Liftoff.
No, watch it.
Liftoff.
Watch it. Wow. 46 seconds before we spotted it.
No, we saw it down. We just didn't know.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Oh, it's so
Oh, that's so cool. Well, we're so happy to have brought you along the Great Abacos. It's been so fun here. We are taking off tomorrow morning to head over to Charleston. We're gonna leave about 5 a.m. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us, and hope to have you with us next week.